Hey you guys, what is up, and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. I am so happy that you're here, so thank you so much for taking your time and hanging out with me. I did not restock yesterday because if you guys didn't know, I'm actually on vacation right now. Yes, I am. I'm editing this in a car, which is why it's a little off schedule just because, you know, no Wi-Fi. So what we are doing today is, like I said, it's definitely special. Last time we went to Disney on vacation, so welcome to a little Disney themed restock for you. All my social medias are linked down below. If you like this video, you know what to do. You should go like the video. It would really help me out. Support your local Peach family. So we have 5 slimes that are new, and I am so excited to share them with you. We also have some old things, which will be listed in the description of this video. So if you guys want to check out a full restock, the link to peachybbies.com is down there, as well as a list of everything that we're selling. Okay, this is the longest name, but bear with me. It makes sense. This one is the Adorable Snowman's Lemon Custard Cloud Cream. It is a mouthful, but you know, I kind of love every second of it. This cloud cream is another classic Peachybbies cloud cream texture. It's very soft. It's very spreadable. This one is inspired by the Yeti. There's actually a little shop in Disneyland. I've never been there, but I've seen so many pictures, and it looks so aesthetic and so cute. But this one is the Yeti from Monsters, Inc. He's also called the Abominable Snowman, and what he has in Disneyland is a little shop, and they sell lemon custard, and it is a white and yellow swirl. And I was like, you know what? We have to make this for the Adorable Snowman, and also because, you know, it looked so freaking aesthetic. So blue. Then we have a layer of the lemon yellow cloud cream on the bottom, which is scented, of course, like lemon custard. And then on top, we have a layer of white cloud cream with the same scent. So this one is definitely my favorite. If you want to put it on Instagram, if you want to show it to your friends and be like, hey, look at this really pretty slime I got from Peachybbies, you know. We have the Celebration Fluff Cloud Dough. This one I was inspired by pretty much everything Disney is to me. Like, Disney makes me super happy. There's always a bunch of things about celebration. There's always a bunch of things about Disney magic and fun stuff like that. And I just feel like this slime really expresses that. So this one is 3 different colors. There's a pink, there's a white, and there's a yellow. And then we have little sprinkles of pastel clay Mickeys. This one is scented like sweet pink cotton candy. So the white layer is scented like a really sweet vanilla cookie. And then the different colors are scented like pink cotton candy, so it smells amazing. If you like sweet scents, this is definitely something that you would absolutely love. I adore this one, no joke. This one is a true cloud dough, so the cloud doughs are the ones that will create that nice fluff and that nice drizzle for you. It is a little bit stiffer than our traditional cloud creams for anybody who doesn't know, so it's definitely more holdable. It is perfect for people who don't want to make a mess, or if you want to bring it with you somewhere. And then I'm sure you guys are probably asking, Andrea, it looks really pretty in the container, and I would agree with you, it totally does, but you're also probably asking me, Andrea, is it gonna look really ugly when we mix it together? And I would say absolutely not. I made sure to formulate this one so that when you mix it up, it turns into a really pretty orange sherbet color. You guys will see, I'm including it in the video. Next we have the BB-8 Creamsicle Cloud Cream. So I feel like this one kind of explains itself. It is a cloud cream. It is scented like an orange creamsicle, which if you guys love, you know, orange creamsicles, sherbet, oranges, citrus, anything like that, you will absolutely adore this scent. I know this is definitely one of my favorite spring and summer scents. I'm really happy with the way that I scented it creamsicle. It looks like a creamsicle, but it's also one of my favorite things from Star Wars. So definitely one to get if you're into Star Wars, if you like my cloud creams, because this one is a classic cloud cream texture, or, you know, if you just want to support your local BB-8 friends. Moving on, we have the Little Green Men. So this one is kind of inspired by, okay, I don't even know if they have names. I was talking about this earlier. Do the little green men in Toy Story, do they have names or are they just called the little green men? I should probably look that up, but I'm sure you guys probably know more than I do, so like let me know down below if they have names. But that's what this is inspired by. If you guys see my nail polish, I actually got inspired by aliens a few days back. I don't know why, but now it's kind of my thing. I'm kind of obsessed with them. So I was like, I'm gonna get nails that look like the little green men. And of course, since I got the nails, we have to make the slime. So the base of this one is a little alien green cream cheese based slime. So it's pretty thick and it is super, super clicky. And then on top, we have a bunch of different foam beads. So we have big foam beads, small foam beads, hollow glitter, and then some gold stars because you know, you can't have the little green men unless they're in space. So we had to add the stars. This one is scented like a really sweet, very fresh smell. It smells really, really good, but it is definitely a little bit more fresh than some of the other slimes that are in the restock. So if that's something that you want, definitely go for this one. This one is also the crunchiest of everything that we've made and the only one that is new that is not a cloud cream. So if you're looking for something with a little bit of a classic texture, and if you love the little green men, because I know I am a huge fan of them, this is definitely another one that you'll like. By the way, I absolutely adore when you guys post review videos and Instagram posts on slimes that I get. If you want me to see them, I always check the tag #PeachyPost. So if you want to tag me in that with the #PeachyPost, I definitely look through it at least once a day, and I love to feature some of you. So that is it for the video. I really hope you liked it. Like I said, if you did, you should definitely give it a thumbs up. You should definitely give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out, and I'd love you forever. But I am about to go to Disney now. I am about to go to Disney now, you guys, and I am so excited. So I really hope you liked the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.